In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up a pop-up in Klaviyo. Whether you're looking to grow your email list or engage more with your site visitors, integrating a pop-up form in Klaviyo is an effective way to do it. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional pop-up form ready to capture your audience's attention and boost your marketing efforts. Let's start by navigating to the Sign Up Forms section. Once you're logged into Klaviyo, look to the left side of your dashboard. Here, you'll find a menu filled with various options. You want to click on Sign Up Forms. This is where all the magic happens for creating engaging pop-ups and forms. Once you're there, you'll see a button labeled Create Form. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you're in the form creation area, it's time to choose a design. Klaviyo offers a variety of templates to get you started. For this tutorial, let's focus on creating a pop-up form. Browse through the templates available until you find one that aligns with your brand's aesthetic and goals. Selecting the right template is crucial because it sets the tone for how your audience will interact with it. Once you've made your choice, give your form a name. This name is for your internal use, so choose something descriptive that will help you identify it later. After naming your form, it's important to decide where the contacts collected from this form will go. Choose a subscriber list to sync these contacts to. This step ensures that every email you capture is automatically organized and ready for future marketing campaigns. With these details in place, click Create Form to proceed. Great! Now you're in the visual editor, which is where the fun begins. This is your canvas, and you have the creative freedom to make the pop-up look exactly how you want. Start by considering what elements you'd like to include. You can easily drag and drop text boxes, input fields, or even images onto your canvas. Think about what information is most important to collect from your audience. For example, an email address is essential, but you might also want to include fields for a first name or other relevant details. As you customize, keep your brand's style in mind. Use colors, fonts, and imagery that reflect your brand identity to create a cohesive look. Don't forget to pay attention to the wording of your call to action. It should be clear and compelling to encourage users to enter their information and engage with your brand. Once you're satisfied with the design, preview it to ensure everything looks perfect. You can see how your pop-up will appear on different devices, ensuring a seamless experience for all your users, whether they're on a mobile device or a desktop. And that's it. You've successfully set up a pop-up form in Klaviyo. With this pop-up ready to go, you're well on your way to capturing more leads and keeping your audience engaged. Remember, you can always revisit your form to make tweaks or adjustments as needed. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and happy marketing.